In this video, we will review documenting fields within the Java programming language. Remember that documenting your code is crucial to help others understand it, and even to remind yourself how your older programs used to work. Unfortunately, it is easy for external documentation to become out of date as a program changes over time. For this reason, it is useful to write documentation as comments in the code itself, where they can be easily updated with other changes. Using the Javadoc tags, we can document fields or variables similarly to methods, with the exception that tags @param and @return are omitted from the Javadoc. Here the variable contains only a short description. We'll give it a short description of what the value holds. The Javadoc also can work with serializable fields. Serializability of a class is enabled by the class implementing the java.io.serializable interfaces. Classes that do not implement this interface will not have any of their statements serialized or deserialized. All subtypes of a serializable class are themselves serializable. The serialization interface has no methods or fields and serves only to identify the semantics of being serialized. During deserialization, the fields of non-serializable classes will be initialized using the public or protected noarg constructor of the class. A noarg constructor must be accessible to the subclass that is serializable. The fields of serializable subclasses will be restored from the stream. We can use Javadoc's @serialTag to denote serializable fields. Let's create a field. First name. And let's document it as such. You can also use the Javadoc for static fields. Static keyword modifier in the context of fields means not related to a particular instance at all. In other words, you could get at the static field in a class without ever creating any instances. You can also reference the value of a static field to be included within the Java documentation. You can return the value of a static field to the Javadoc. Let's try an example. This will be our static field. Now we can add the Javadoc to reference its value. We can use this Javadoc code. This concludes our discussion of documenting fields in Java.